Okay, like I was telling you before, Sean, now after I had, was diagnosed in 1999, I happened to see an obituary. You know, I always check the obituaries because I never know if I'm in them, even though I know whether I wake up or not. I happened to see a gentleman who passed away after a 40-year battle with MS, okay? And it got me to thinking, okay? Just one medicine, mind you, it cost me $1,000 a month, okay? Now, you figure he had a 40-year battle, so just remember this number, that'll come in handy, okay? Now, you multiply that by 12 months, 12,000 a year, okay? 40, multiply that by 40 years, okay? Now, this is one medication, one person. So you have to have 4 zeros. Since there's 3 zeros, 4 zeros. And that's 48. $480,000. It's basically $500,000 just for one person on one medication. Think about how many other medications we're on, how much they cost. I mean, you see payment plans for certain medications, and let me tell you, there's one thing I really, and I'm telling you, I really hate seeing, and that's these Viagra Cialis commercials, because yeah, I'm a male, I have erectile dysfunction because of the MS, okay, even though I've read stories about other things. But getting back to my point, you know, erectile dysfunction, it's common with people with MS, especially males with MS. I hate seeing Viagra Cialis commercials because you always see young 30-year-old yuppies on a golf course, okay? That's not true representation of erectile dysfunction. Why don't you talk about the people who are sick that have erectile dysfunction? It happens, okay? This is life, okay? Just, you know, but see, they don't want to show this part of life. They don't want to scare people. Not my problem. I'm just telling it like it is, whether you like it or not. And most of you don't like what I'm saying, so all right, you can cut it right here. You can get that in the shot?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. Just tell me when we're rolling. Okay. Well, yeah, irony. You can't spell irony without Ron being right in the middle of it, okay? So look at it this way. I, as in me, Ron, and then why. Why do I have MS? Why me? And, you know, I don't understand why people, why not? Okay, because let's face it, God don't put anything on your plate that you can't handle, and you gotta believe, and that's the whole thing about everything with MS. You gotta believe, and I know a lot of people want to believe in the medications, but I don't believe in medications. I've gone through too much. I mean, I've had what was called Copaxone, and Copaxone, it left welts on my legs, whereas the Avonex I was taking, it did damage to my muscles, and that was a side effect that they don't tell you about. And the light's blinking, so I know that I'm pretty much out of time.